Number 1. Keychron K2e. The Keychron K2e is a highly versatile and well-crafted mechanical keyboard that blends functionality with a sleek design. A standout feature is its ultra-thin profile, making it a more compact and portable option compared to traditional mechanical keyboards. It's also equipped with hot-swappable keys, allowing users to easily change switches without soldering, perfect for those who want to experiment with different switch types to match their preferences. The keyboard supports both wired and wireless connections, featuring Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless connectivity with up to 3 devices. The Keychron K2he's battery life is impressive, lasting up to 72 hours of continuous use, which makes it a great option for those who need a reliable wireless experience. The keycaps are made of high-quality ABS plastic, and the keys provide a satisfying, tactile feedback that's comfortable for long typing sessions or gaming marathons. RGB backlighting adds a touch of style, with customizable effects to suit personal preferences. However, the software could be more intuitive for deeper customization options. One small downside is its slightly higher price point compared to other keyboards in the same category. Overall, the Keychron K2e delivers solid performance, portability, and aesthetics, making it a fantastic choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. And that's a wrap for today's video.